Okay, dude, here we go. I'm going to do a Google search for you, and I'm going to show you. I think you talked about telephone jacks, San Diego. Here's a search for that. And now what I want you to see here is this is people selling actual jacks, and there's no map, so it's just page one. Um, kind of looking through here. I want to go to page two and show you. Here's page two. Now, I wanted to stop here and look at something here. You're always wondering about what you should charge. Well, here is Fixer. Let me just move this over so you can see Fixer. And it shows that the national average is $90 for a telephone jack. The problem here is you got a low at $10, then a high at $200-300, but that's Fixer. So I just wanted you to see that. Now we'll go back to just the regular searches here, and I want to show you. Let's see here. There's no map on this one now. That's because jacks, telephone jacks, is not as searchable as you think. But I'll tell you what is. Telephone cabling is a little different. Okay, let's go to cabling. And let me show you how that goes. So this is telephone cabling right here. And as we scroll down and take a look in telephone cabling, let's see, there's network cabling, as you can see. And here you are on page one organically for telephone cabling. Now, when we go to data cabling, it's a little more commercial. You know, telephone cabling is, I would say, more residential searching. So if you go data cabling for San Diego, now what you're going to get is a map. This is more commercial. And I've been talking about, most people don't understand the three different sections of a Google search. One is what they call the paper map. This is right here. And then as you move down, these are the actual map listings. But the best area to be in is the organic section down here. The reason that this is better, the organic section, is because you will never be removed from there. Okay? Up here, Google's going to change this. I'll tell you right now, Southern Cal Telecom here, they don't even have a website listed. They're going to get knocked out. Who are they going to get knocked out? I'll go to more places and show you at more places who's going to take their place. Pacific Voice and Data Technologies, because they have a website, is going to knock these guys out. Probably next week, next month. But so the maps are not nearly, they're not nearly as secure as being in the organic section. Once again, where's the organic section? Down here. So when we go data cabling, this is what I've been really working on. When I first got you, you were on page 8. Let's move down, all the way down. I'm going to talk about these ads here in a minute, but we go next to page 2. Keep looking for your company. You don't see it. Go to page 3. Like I said, when I first got you, I think you're on page 7 or 8. There's Tony on page 3. There you are on page 3. So you're halfway down page 3. You've come up 4 pages since I got a hold of you. Now I told you, let's go back to page 1 real quick, where we got the map. And I want to show you Google Ads. This is something people, I don't know if they notice it, but when you get a Google ad, which is these 3 right here, this puts you on page 1 organically, but people are paying for this. You might say, well, how much? Depends on what you write. It's a daily rate. It usually comes out to about 50, maybe 150 a month. Not saying we should do that, because this changes too. As soon as you run out of money, just like the Reader, it goes away, or just like the Union Tribune, it goes away. But up here in this section, you stay in the organic. So that's what I've got for now. I just wanted you to sort of see that, the growth you've seen. The best thing, the best situation, the absolute best, is when you're in here, the map listings, and you're also in organic. See network cabling? They're in the organic, and they're also in the map. That's a good spot to be in. Real good. So hopefully that gets you up to date a little bit, because I'll talk to you later.